Hey everyone,
Hey.
Here we are.
A special guest today.
I was talking to Cherry the other day, and she's actually kind of putting herself through college and is on a budget. And she was telling me about all the crap food that you eat because it's cheap, right?
And it tastes good.
And it tastes good. That is true. So what would you say is probably one of the most common things that you eat?
At school,
Yeah,
pasta.
pasta, yeah. We went out and decided to go shopping, and you can see here we have all these different ingredients, and make this two different ways. I said, Charity, let's go out and just buy as if you were buying it, like if you're in college and you're just buying it for your apartment. Just pick what you would buy. And of course, she went for low cost because that's what you do. That's what most of us do.
Oh yeah.
And then I said, I'll go and shop and buy the products that we normally buy for the Plant Paradox diet. And that usually means organic, pasture raised, and more expensive. So I'll do a cost breakdown of them all. And then most importantly, we're gonna do taste tests, see which one tastes better. Because as Charity said, sometimes the cheap food tastes better. So we will see.
That's true. That is true.
But as a baseline, we have the cheapest of them all.
Well,
79 cents.
79 cents.
how much was that originally? Do you remember?
Hey, it was on clearance, so we're
Yes.
counting it as 79 cents. Charity found it on the clearance rack because she's a bargain shopper.
That's good. That's important.
Something like this is what a typical cheap meal would be, especially for a college student. So the girls are going to cut
No
their
doubt.
cauliflowers, and it's going to be a race. And what did you?
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna win.
And
I'm
Charity
gonna
made
not
a
chop my
good point
fingers
about
off.
speed of cutting cauliflower. What does it do?
It makes it healthier.
Makes it healthier. You cut it faster.
I don't know if you knew that or not.
So the recipe calls for 1 head of cauliflower, right?
Yep.
Chopped into florets. Am I saying
Yes.
that right? Do you guys know what florets are?
Yes.
I have
Yeah.
no idea what they are.
It's like individual
Little
little
bits.
trees.
Little trees. Okay, go for it. How are you coming on the florets?
They're coming.
Hers
Is it not
look
easier?
really
this
nice.
This is the way I think. I just go like this.
Well, you can do that, but then you'd want to break them smaller.
Oh, look at that. That's just
Yikes.
savage.
I think mine are the best, but I usually am wrong.
Hey, grade cheese.
I know. Why did I get the cheese grating job? You guys got the fun job.
We're ready to pop these bad boys in the oven.
So how long do we put them in the oven for, and at what temperature?
400 degrees, and we're going to put them in for 15 minutes, and we want to watch them, make sure they just turn a light brown.
Okay, so Charity's gonna make this first. Okay, so 1 cup of heavy cream. And bring it to a simmer. Do you like to cook?
Yes, I love to cook.
As far as like eating healthy, we were talking the other day and she told me that she tries to eat healthy, but it's kind of challenging, and you can tell them why it's challenging for you.
Well, first of all, sugar tastes really good.
Imagine that.
And second of all, at least when I'm in school, unhealthy food is a lot more accessible and usually free or cheaper, or like just supplied a lot more at events and whatnot. And I like to, at least at school, not cook for myself as much as possible because I'm busy with a lot of other things.
If you're not in school, then it's work, it's a job, it's kids. All those things make it hard. And then sugar just tastes good, like you said.
We do mustard.
Now it's fancy Dijon mustard, but it's the cheap kind. So
Dijon.
when you bake, are you a precise measurer, or do you kind of eyeball it?
I 100% eyeball it.
You and Jan get along great. I'm getting better, as people who've been following this channel know. Jan's off camera going, eyeball, eyeball. Jan's making the next batch, so.
Yeah, the first time I make everything, I follow the recipe and use measurements, but
Yeah.
after that, I don't.
You have to kind of eyeball it because it doesn't say if it's tightly packed or, you know?
We always want more.
Always want more. You're dumping it back in the little tiny hole. That's something I would do.
It's a little too much.
Okay. Well, it's smelling good already.
Looks good. It's a nice
looks good.
orange color.
Yeah, nice creamy. What do we got next?
Okay, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper.
Just an eyeball.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then half a teaspoon of salt, or to taste.
Or to taste.
We're gonna do to taste.
To taste. So I'm gonna spray a little of this olive oil on the pan. Okay, so the recommendation was to cook it till very light browning occurs. So we decided to pull it out right when the very tips there got brown, right? Top.
Okay.
Okay, that's ready to go in the oven. Okay, so ta-da!
Ta-da! Nice and
Ta-da.
cheesy.
Ta-da!
Here we go.
Mac and cheese, who's gonna go first?
Okay.
We'll do the weird one.
Control.
The control.
It's actually pretty good for box
79
mac
cents.
and cheese.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you're doing yours.
It has a grainy texture, but it still tastes good.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Does it taste like macaroni and cheese?
No.
Okay.
This one is less grainy, fresher flavor.
And between those two, would you prefer one over the other?
The white one.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Jan?
All right. Control. Tastes like watered down macaroni and cheese.
Cheaper
Now our
version.
college version. That's actually better than I thought it would be.
Oh, good.
Yeah. That one's a lot creamier. Like,
Yeah.
Interesting. I wonder why. All right, here we go. That just tastes like cheap macaroni and cheese. So now let me do this. Yeah, the cauliflower doesn't have a really strong taste.
that's surprising.
I mean, it definitely is cauliflower. There's no hiding it. But it's actually really good. All right, now we go for the more expensive, fancy ingredient one. Hands down better. It's just better.
Just
Isn't that
better
crazy?
ingredients.
So all three of us liked the one made with all of the best ingredients.
That's seriously good. I'm not a big cheese person, and like, it's really, really good. Definitely worth making.
So definitely worth making. As far as ease of making, how did you feel like it was to make? Was it medium, low, high?
Medium.
Medium, okay. Do you think you'll actually ever make this in college?
Yes, not
Really?
as mac and cheese though. I
Okay.
would not describe it as mac
Right.
and cheese, but it's a really good casserole.
Yeah, cheesy
Yeah, for sure.
cauliflower casserole maybe. All right, everyone, thanks so much for tuning in.
And
Hopefully
thanks
you
for
enjoyed
Charity
this. And
for
thank you,
coming
Charity.
on and sharing her expert opinions with us. We appreciate that. Thanks so much
Thanks,
for
everyone.
joining us.
See you on the next video.